Dashboard. This is the first page when you log into your account, and it showcases all the important information about your business. It shows the status of the total number of buyer/seller posting under specific headers like approve, pending, rejected, etc. Connections tab shows the number of companies that are added by the user as their business prospect. This is a ready reference and can be accessed anytime. Total Inquiries Received tab shows the inquiries received against lead as well as from matchmaking, business meetings, offline users, and website inquiries. Matching Alert tab notifies new buyer/seller as per the matching set by the user. Right top corner of the page you have the option to filter your data according to the current month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. Website Views shows a graphical representation of the number of views that your website has received in a given period of time. Product Views is also a graphical representation that helps you to know the number of views for your product. In the case of multiple products, you can check the views of any individual product by clicking on the select product. You also have an option to see buyer or seller product views by clicking on either boxes. The last section showcases upcoming events in your area of interest. Member Website. Through the Member Website section, you can choose to create your own website on Fibre2Fashion. Step 1. Select the demo template of your choice. In Step 2, add details like your company name, which will be used for your domain, upload company logo, add a website header image and tagline. Now in Step 3, add information about your company, various certification if you have, brochures, etc. You even have the option to include your corporate video here. In the next step, add your organization's services if you are a manufacturer, trader, agent, etc. In Step 5, here we will display the number of leads that are already posted by the user. Next, in Step 6, add contact details of your business. You can also add different social links of your business. Website Inquiry. Here you will find all the inquiries that you've received from the F2F Micro website. Matchmaking. If you're not receiving leads or buyers according to your needs, you can request setting up matchmaking alerts. Here Fibre2Fashion will research based on your requirement and coordinate with potential sellers/buyers and share their contact details to you. When you submit a matchmaking request, your entry will remain in the pending state until verified by Fibre2Fashion. The status changes to in process when we've started to add matching leads. With the completion of the request, the status will change to approve. Your request will show the status as complete when the feedback is added by the user. Business Meeting. With Business Meeting module, Fibre2Fashion helps you to build meaningful business connections, so that you can expand your business. When you're visiting some event or any country, we'll contact all the matching companies in the area and share their details with you. To generate a business meeting request, select your product, subcategory and product description fields. You can add your travel plan by adding country and date of visit. Add details of the person who will be traveling. Add purpose of visit, whether it is trade fair, business meeting or any other. Then select the buyer type whom you would like to meet and add comments if you wish to give any more information. That's it, we'll take care of the request and we'll share potential leads to you. Offline Buyers. In this module, Fibre2Fashion takes the initiative and individually sends the leads to the users based on the user's profile and requirements.
Both the basic members and the paid members can access the B2B dashboard. However, basic members will have access to a limited set of features and data. Under Company Profile, you'll be able to fill in the information related to your company, its logo, and its specialties. Clicking on the pin icon will allow you to make edits to 3 different sections, namely registration details, company details, and additional info. My Connections will act as your business phone book and let you save all your contacts. You can also add contacts from your lead details page to My Connection by clicking on the Add to My Connections button. Basic members cannot add their contacts to My Connections. Under Post Your Lead, you can post your lead as a buyer or a supplier. Select the buyer option to post your offers as a buyer and fill in the required information pertaining to the important fields, such as basic information, trade information, product specification, and price information. Once you're done with filling in the required information in the product info section, upload the product images by clicking on the plus icon. Fill in the required details in the details description and trade information boxes. Under Price Information, you can check the negotiable checkbox if the deal can be negotiated, or you can choose Request for Best Price from the supplier. After verifying the information filled by you, our team will notify you through an email once your posting goes live. To post your leads as a supplier, select the Seller option and follow the exact same process. Under Lead Management, you'll be able to access information on all your leads under the various categories representing their exact status, such as approved, pending, rejected, paused, expired, and deleted. Further, all your leads will display the exact number of matching buyers. Upon clicking, it will straight away take you to the list of buyers. To avail more information regarding a particular lead, click on the View Details button. This section also gives you access to perform quite a few functions on your leads. You can choose to edit, delete, and pause your lead by clicking on the respective icons, such as the pin icon, bin icon, and the pause icon. The Rejected tab presents you with those leads that have been rejected by our B2B team, along with their respective reasons of disapproval. If you wish to delete a lead, you need to state the reason for doing so, and then those leads will appear under the Deleted tab. Through the Inquiry Management tab, you can send or receive inquiries, thereby availing further relevant information regarding the products. To respond to an inquiry, click on it, and once you're done with writing the content, click on the Reply button. To attach images or any other files, click on the Attach button. You can also add contacts from your inbox to My Connection by clicking on the Add to My Connections button, or you can click on Back button to go back to all your inquiries. You can choose to refresh, mark your emails as read or unread, and star or unstar your emails by clicking on the respective icons, such as the refresh icon, mark unmark icon, and star unstar icon. You can also search specific information by typing the name of the company or product in the Search Company Product field, or by selecting a date from the drop-down menu, thereby tailoring your search results. As a basic member, you can respond to only 5 inquiries and engage in one-way communication once with those 5 inquiries. Clicking on the Favorite Products tab will present you with all the products you have selected as favorite. To add more products to this section, click on the plus icon. The Trade Match section will enable you to set up trade match alerts. To do so, click on the plus icon. If you want to set up an alert regarding buying offers, select Buying Lead and fill in the required fields pertaining to select name, subcategory, import region, and alert name. If you want to set up an alert regarding selling offers, select Selling Lead and follow the same process. You can also add contacts from your trade matches to My Connection by clicking on the Add to My Connections button. Both the basic members and paid members can set up to 10 trade match alerts with 20 products per alert. The F2F newsletter section will provide you with a list of varied F2F newsletters. To subscribe or unsubscribe to any of the newsletters, you need to simply click on the Subscribe, Unsubscribe button. The F2F Magazine tab will enable you to access various editions of F2F Magazine. To subscribe to the magazine, click on the Subscribe button. To take a look at a previous edition, simply click on the respective image of the issue. To download the latest edition of the magazine, click on the button Download Latest. To avail a physical copy of the magazine, click on the button Request for Dispatch. If you wish to advertise with us, click on the button Book Your Space. Under the Welcome tab in the top right corner of the dashboard, you'll find 4 subcategories, namely My Services, Edit Profile, Change Password, and Log Out. Clicking on My Services will take you to the page displaying all the details pertaining to your membership and the services you are subscribed to. Under Business Dashboard, you can choose to switch to Recruitment or Text Pro if you subscribe to those services. If you've any questions or need any further assistance, you can click on the chat button in the bottom right corner, which will enable you to get in touch with our B2B team. You can also get in touch with our team by clicking on the question mark icon in the top right corner of the dashboard. That will open 2 subcategories, namely User Manual and Contact Support. Thank you for watching this Fibre2Fashion.com video tutorial.